guys, today I will show how to write cursive writing from small a to small z, and if you want to see the capital A to Z you can check in the link in the description. So let's get started with the letters. First I'm going to write letter A. So first I will write small a. First we will start from the second blue line to the first blue line, then make a swirly back to this blue line, then another swirly. This is how we write A. I am going to write it again. Okay, now our A is done. Let's go to B. First we will start from this blue line to the red line, make a swirly back to this blue line and make another swirly touching the first blue line. This is how we write B. Let's write it again. Okay, now our B is also done. Let's now write C. So we will start from this blue line, then go to this line and make a little swirly like this. This is very simple. Let's write it again. Okay, now our C is also done. Now we will write D. We will start from this blue line to this blue line, then make a swirly to the red line and make another swirly like this. This is how we write D. Let's write it again. Okay, now all our four letters are done. Our A, B, C and D are all done. Let's go to the next four letters. Now let's write E, F, G and H. Let's get started with E. This is also very simple. We will start from this blue line to the upper blue line and make a swirly. This is so simple. Let's write it again. And our E is done. Let's go to F. We will start from this blue line up to the red line, make a swirly down to the red line, lower red line, and then we'll make a swirly and touch this line. Let's write it again. Okay, now our F is also done. Let's go to G. We'll start from this line, blue line to this blue line, make a swirly, then go down and back up. This is how we write G, and let's write it again. Okay, our G is done. Let's go to H. H we will write from this blue line to the top red line. Now back to that blue line and make a swirly touching this blue line. This is also very simple. Let's write it again. Okay, now our E, F, G and H are all done. Let's move to the next letters. Now we will write I, J, K and L. So let's write I now. We'll start from the lower blue line up to the top blue line, then back, make a swirly and we will put a dot over here. This is how to write I. This is very simple. Let's write it again. Okay, now our I is also done. Now we will write J. We'll start from this blue line to this blue line, go to the lower red line and make a swirly touching this blue line. Here is our J and then we'll put a little dot. So our J is complete. Let's write it again. Okay, our J is also done. Now we will write K. So for K, we will start from the lower blue line to the upper red line, back to that lower blue line, make a swirly and like this. This is how we write K. And then I am going to write it again. This is how we write K. So our K is also done. Now we will move to L. L is very simple. We will start from this blue line, lower blue line to the top red line, make a little swirly back to the lower blue line and leave it over here. This is our L. Let's write it again. See, L is very simple. So now our I, J, K and L are all done. Let's move to the next letters. So now we will write M, N, O and P. Let's start with M. We will start from this blue line to the other top blue line, back to that blue line, and we'll make swirlies like this. This is how we write M. Let's write it again. Okay, our M is all done. Now let's go to N. We will start from this blue line to this top blue line, back to that blue line, and we'll make a swirly like this. Okay, this is our N. This is very simple. Let's write it again. Okay, our N is also done. Let's go to O. So for O, we are going to start from this blue line to the top blue line. Then we'll make a circle and we'll make a swirly like this. This is how to write O. Let's write it again. Okay, our O is also done. Let's go to P. So for P, we'll start from the lower blue line to the upper blue line. Then go to the lower red line, make a swirly and make a circle like this. This is how we will write P. So let's write it again. Okay, now our M, N, O and P are all done. Let's write the next letters. Now we will write Q, R, S and T. So let's start with Q. We will start from the lower blue line to the top blue line. Make like this. Go to the lower red line and back to this lower blue line. This is how we write Q. Let's write it again. Okay, this is how we write Q and Q is all done. Let's write R. We will start from this blue line to this blue line, make a swirly and back to the lower blue line. This is how we write R. It is very simple. Let's write it again. Okay, now our R is also done. Let's go to S. So S will start from this lower blue line to the upper blue line, make a swirly back to the lower blue line and go and touch the upper blue line. This is how to write S. This is also very simple. Let's write it again. Okay, now our S is also done. Let's go to T. So we will start from this blue line to the top red line, back to that blue line, make a swirly like this, and on the top blue line we'll put a line like this. This is how we write T. Let's write it again. Okay, our T, Q, R, S and T are all done. Now we will move to the next letters. Now we will write U, V and W. So let's start with U. We will start from the lower blue line up to the upper blue line, back to the lower blue line, then again back to the upper blue line, again back to the lower blue line and make a swirly. This is how we write U. Let's write it again. Okay, now our U is done. Let's go to V. We will start from the lower blue line up to the top blue line, back to the lower blue line, again back to the top blue line, and now we will make a swirly like this and touch over here. So now we will write it again. Okay, our V is also done. Let's go to W. So we will start from this lower blue line up to the top blue line, back to the lower blue line, again back to the top blue line, again back to the lower blue line, then back to the top blue line and make a swirly like this. This is how we write W. Let's write it again. Okay, our W is done. So we have finished U, V and W. Let's move on to the next letters. These are our last letters. We will write now X, Y and Z. So we will start from the lower blue line for X and then we will go back to the top blue line, back to the lower blue line, again back to the top blue line and we will make a swirly like this. This is how we write X. Let's write it again. Okay, now our X is done. Let's go to Y. Start from the lower blue line to the top blue line, make a swirly like this and then we will go to the lower red line and make a swirly touching the top red line. This is how we write Y and let's write it again. Okay, our Y is also done. Now let's write Z. We will start from the lower blue line up to the top blue line, then we will make a line over there and back to this blue line and then we will make a swirly like this and touch this blue line and our Z is done. Let's write it again. Okay, now our X, Y and Z are all done. Let's move to the next but new letters. These are the same letters only but written in different format and I am writing this because some books write these three letters like this. So the different three letters which we are going to write right now are B, P and Z. So for B we will start from this lower blue line up to the red line, back to this lower blue line and we'll make a circle and back to this top blue line and then we're gonna light it again. Okay, now our B is also done. Let's write P. So for P we'll start from the top red line, make a line to this lower red line and then we'll start from this blue line, make a swirly like this and here is our P. Let's write it again. Okay, our P is also done. Now we will write Z. Start from this blue line to the top blue line, just make a curve, don't make it crookedly and then make a circle like this and there we have our Z. Let's write it again. or B, P and Z of new techniques are done. So if you write in these techniques also, they are also correct. And so don't go now, I'm gonna say something. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it and click on the bell notifications so that you get notifications of next videos. So bye bye and learn this properly. It is helpful.